So think about how a card looks. All right. So this is going to be really long. That's going to be too long, I think. It might be a little too long. Yeah. So now when the motor turns, see it turning. So when the motor turns, the wheels are going to turn. We got to put wheels on both sides. All right. I don't know if those are really wheels. Fancy, damn it! Is that KFC? Let me see them. Yeah.
นี่เจ็บเหรอเพราะต่อนี้เสร็จคือต่อนี้เสร็จมันมาต่อนี้แล้วอันนี้มันก็ไปขึ้นบนแล้วก็ไปได้
Oh, look at that. It's like extra.
เนี่ยอย่างนั้นสามารถหาอะไรมาต่อด้านบนได้
Green bean, go, right? And how about, what do we do for stop? Yeah, so take that, go that, change the letter. Yeah, and then we want to go to stop moving. So when you see red, stop. When you see green, go. Right. Alright, and we need something. There we go. Show it red, 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 Panda, red. Stop. Yeah, there we go.